Kasama naman po tayo sa prosesyon. Ayun! Bibigyan ako ng estampita, guys. Tara na mga doon tayo. Samahan niyo po kami sa prosesyon. Ang ganda nung ano nila parang nakalabas.
Magdidisgrasya.
Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour
Sabi ni Fatima.
Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God.
Ilaw, ilaw, kami sa ilaw. Ay, malayo.
De Manila, ma. Tata. Ayun nga, nagbe-bless na sila doon.
Religious, pray for us. And also the image is accompanied by the Cofradia de Nuestra Señora de la Merced de Nueva Ligas. Thank you so much.
Next is the Nuestra Señora de la Soledad de Portamar. Our Lady of Solitude,
Pray for us. Also, the Reina de Cavite is accompanied by the Cofradia de Nuestra Señora de la Soledad de Portamar. Thank you so much. The resplendent image of Nuestra Señora del Pilar of Santa Cruz, Manila is one of the most revered Marian images of old Manila. The Virgin with such gifts as an act of thanksgiving to all that. Virgen del Pilar,
pray for us. This is La Inmaculada Concepcion de Pasig. The history of the devotion to La Inmaculada Concepcion de Pasig begins with the establishment of the parish by the Augustinian missionaries on July 2, 1573, coinciding with the foundation of the town of Pasig. The Queen and Patroness of Pasig was canonically crowned on December 7, 2008, officiated by Archbishop Edward Joseph Adams, then Apostolic Bishop. The devotion to La Inmaculada Concepcion de Pasig continues to flourish up to this day with the efforts of further propagation of the devotion to the Virgin of Pasig through parish visitations, where a replica of the Virgin visits parishes within the jurisdiction of the Francis Ramos of Pasig City. Viva la Virgen del Inmaculada Concepcion!
Air, air.
The next image is the Nuestra Señora de la Paz y Buen Viaje. The devotion to the Virgen ng Antipolo started when Agalion brought the image to the Philippines and enshrined at the abode of the parish of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso.
Bakit? Dito ko sa gilid. Ano ko naman si Kuya? Ibibidyo si Kuya.
The Lady of Peñafrancia is celebrated on the third Saturday of September.
De Peña, Francia. Viva la Virgen!
Viva!
Carmen de San Sebastián.
Pray for us.
The Carosa of our Festejada for this year's Grand Marian Procession is accompanied by our Hermano Mayor, Barangay Kapitan Alvin Suliga, the Kagawats, the marshals and the barangay staff, fire marshal, HW, and the board of members.
Sana po ay
Band of
nagustuhan niyo po ang aming
Pagpapauwi
video
ng
dito po sa
Pilipinas.
Grand Variant Procession dito po sa Newport City, Pasay. Thank you for watching, guys!